GBO worth
I
it?
think GBO is totally worth it.
Is GBO worth it?
Is GBO worth it?
Is GBO worth it?
So is GBO worth it?
Is GBO worth it or not?
GBO worth it or not? Is GBO worth it?
Is GBO worth it?
Is GBO worth it?
GBO is worth it or not?
Shri Ram College of Commerce, one of the best colleges in India in perspective from placements and alumni network.
The faculty here, best ROI.
Actually taught in IIMs.
The vibrant North Campus vibe.
ROI.
ROI is amazing.
Our ROI is
You're studying in a world-class college, the Shri Ram College of Commerce.
Is GBO worth it or not?
Okay, so answer is a yes. I think GBO is totally worth it. And one of the main reasons is the faculty here. So we have CXOs of the companies coming here teaching us. One of the CEO is our professor who was ex-CEO of Vodafone Idea. And we weekly have industry interactions.
I think it is the best college out here in the NCR Delhi region. You get the best ROI from here. You get the best faculties. You're studying in a world-class college, the Shri Ram College of Commerce.
Is GBO worth it? Absolutely. I'll summarize it in three major points. Number one is the ROI. GBO provides one of the best ROIs all over India when it comes to a postgraduate program. Number two is the faculties. We are taught by faculties whose books are actually taught in IIMs. And number three is the case study methodology of teaching.
Is GBO worth it? Definitely, especially because you get best of both worlds here. The vibrant North Campus vibe along with the rigorous B school energy, you know.
So GBO has the world-class faculty that we have here. We have all the teachers and professors that come from one of the most suitable and the most important firms around India. As well as our curriculum, it's very diverse. We get to know about a lot of things and various subjects that we could read, which is important in our career life.
So I'll say that as a fresher yourself, if you don't know which career path to choose, which specific domain to choose, you can go for GBO because there's no specialization as of now.
I feel it's one of the best course for the students because the batch size is very reserved in a way and it actually helps you to grow to your extreme.
GBO is completely worth it if you are a fresher because it is good in terms of ROI. Because in the initial years of your career, you don't want to invest a large chunk of money in your career. So it is good in terms of ROI. Second, it is also good in terms of exploring the different specialization and deciding which career path you want to follow and pursue in your longer terms of years.
One of the biggest reason I like it the most is its unique blend of both academic rigor and industrial exposure, meaning that we are not just learning theories from textbooks, we are also getting hands-on experience from people who has already been in the industry. Apart from that, compared with other colleges, the ROI is really good.
ROI is amazing, and obviously SRCC is a brand, as we all know. And the major competent advantage which SRCC GBO has is the small batch size. So with smaller batch size comes many advantages, like you can get proper, specified peer-to-peer learning. You get a very collaborative environment and attention which is specific from the faculty members also. And secondly, it would be also the interaction with other recruiters. So you get better visibility with the recruiters as well.
Trimester programs followed in every IIM. GBO gives the relaxation of following a double semester program. So it gives you ample time to bring on your creative ideas.
We have got great ROI in SRCC GBO. And other than that, we get to meet a lot of industry experts during our industry interactions. So that is a great exposure to us. And other than that, we have got only a batch of 80 students. So we all get equal representation and we all could be highlighted in front of teachers and get all the opportunities.
So GBO is definitely worth it in my opinion because it offers us the option to study with a cohort of amazing people with diverse backgrounds.
We have this great program that not only trains us for the Indian market but for the global market as well.
And one point I would like to highlight that we have a very small batch size.
I would say definitely we have the best of the teachers from SRCC to teach us. Apart from that, there are industry specialists as well as industry leaders which are coming to teach their specialities.
So I believe, ROI is one thing that is really great about this college.
GBO provides you a platform wherein you will get the best of faculty members, you will get placement and internship opportunities, and it is on you how you want to balance your time and how you want to take on additional work. So one challenge which I encountered at GBO during the first year was to manage my time because I was a part of multiple societies and different case competitions. For that also I consulted consulted different faculty members and applied Pomodoro technique and Eisenhower matrix to manage my time. So in nutshell, it is what you make of the opportunities given to you.
It is a day scholar, so we don't have hostels here.
I was really struggling with the curriculum because it's so tightly packed and the day management was very difficult.
Almost squeezing new faculties into our curriculum, and that is also due to the very hectic schedule we have.
Had it been a residential program, then there would have been a little more bonding amongst the batchmates.
As a day scholar, I would feel that if it would have been a residential course, it would have been better for the people who are commuting from the far.
If you are looking to have a campus life as in IIMS, then I'm sorry that you won't get it over here.
I think the curriculum is kind of packed.
If we talk about the curriculum, sometimes it becomes hectic, so it has to be a uniform throughout the year for students to balance it out.
Not enough time and industry specific regions is given so that people are not able to calculate for themselves whether they want to go into a specific industry or not.
We have only one seat in hostel. That is the only challenge in GBO. Other than that, life is fine.
There is, not a specified domain. So somebody who is looking for a specified domain, as in he wants to go into marketing, finance, so they must find it difficult to get a heavy hold for a particular domain. And one more, a little, a fun disadvantage would be every Saturday we have industry interactions, which is definitely a very good point. But every Saturday we have to come dressed in formals, and that, it's a bit hectic on us.
A hectic schedule, 8 to 9 hours of schedule, and after that you think that we go to sleep. Actually, we don't. We work for ourselves, we work for our societies, and after that, if we get some time left, we work on the case competition that we participate in.
Accommodation is definitely a serious challenge as there are no hostels, so we need to find accommodations, and I also feel that we are underrepresented in comparison to UG students.
This not being a residential course is something that is definitely a miss.